Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is unfurl. It is pronounced unfurl and is spelt U-N-F-U-R-L. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exams this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. At weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Unfurl is a verb that means to unroll, unfold, or spread out something that is curled or folded. It is often used to describe the action of opening up something that was previously closed or compact. For example, you could say, the sailors unfurled the sails and set off on their journey. Or, the butterfly unfurled its wings and flew away. The word unfurl comes from the Middle English word unfurlen, which means to unfold. In the film Tangled, Rapunzel spends her entire life locked away in a tower, dreaming of the day that she can unfurl her long, magical hair and explore the world outside. When she finally escapes, her hair plays a crucial role in her adventures. Synonyms for unfurl include unroll, unfold, spread out, extend, and open. Antonyms for unfurl include fold, roll up, close, and contract. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, unfurl. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back again tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.